fillers. There are a lot of misconceptions about dermal fillers. What are they? What are the complications? And many people think that Botox and fillers are the same things, but they are not. So dermal fillers mostly, whichever is available in India, is mostly hyaluronic acid fillers. And according to the concentration of hyaluronic acid filler present in that injection, the longevity of the filler, the indication also differs. Like some fillers we can use to build certain structure. Build means maybe we have to reconstruct your chin, we have to reconstruct your cheek, and we need to make a shape out of it. So that time you will need a filler which is a little thick and which will stay for a longer period of time, from 2 to 3 years maybe. So those filler, the concentration of hyaluronic acid is maximum. Next, we can use some fillers which are used to fill up only the lines, the folds, all these areas. Okay, so those fillers are little lightweight and they have less concentration of hyaluronic acid and they stay from 1 to 2 years. Next fillers are the boosters. They are the most light and they are given very superficially all over your skin. They can be given on your hands, they can be given on your neck, so that they fill up the superficial wrinkles and all these fine lines, and they can give you a nice glow, and it adds hydration to your skin so that it always glows even if you do not take so much of care of your skin, because this is mostly given to people who are mostly exposed to sun, because they tend to photo age, because the radiations in sun can actually damage your skin. So this skin boosters are very popular, especially on your cheeks and the neck, and also people who are mostly in media, they have to use a lot of hands. So when you have a very nice and your face is lifted and it's glowing, but your hands are showing your age, you should not wait and you should come to an aesthetic physician, an injector who can actually put some nice hyaluronic acid on your hands, on your face, on your neck, on your decollet, any area. Okay, and yes, this is a bowl of all the hyaluronic acid that is available in Illumis Clinic. We do around it varies actually from 80 to 90 syringes every month, so that it's very commonly done procedure. Yes, your friend will not say that they have done it, because this is something which everyone wants to hide. They want to show people that they are naturally beautiful, but then this is the reality that people do a lot of it and yet they don't tell anyone. And a good injector is one who can give you natural result, and where people will not be able to understand that you have undergone any such procedures. Thank you so much. Keep watching my channel, Dr. Reema Malik.